Hello everyone, I'm Suman Sarma here, and indeed it's a very joyous moment to connect with all of you today on this platform called Kavisangamam, and my heartfelt gratitude to Kavi Yakub for giving this opportunity for all of us to come together like this, and especially I'm very delighted to connect with all of you on this beautiful platform called Kavisangamam, where these days we are listening to a lot of beautiful poems from in all kinds of regional languages. Now, the poem which I've brought for you today is an Assamese poem, which is composed by poet Rajeeb Phukan, and I have translated it to English, and a poetry book is going to get released very soon. It's not yet released. I'll just read out one of those poems. Original Assamese language is also very sweet. I'll just read out just a few lines from the original poem, and then I'll go with the English one. It's about the animals of Kajiranga, the wildlife sanctuary, as we all know, and of course, the entire ecosystem is at risk because of human encroachment. But today, the elephants here is a kind of metaphor for the entire, for all the flora fauna which is at risk as of now. So here goes the Assamese version first, and then I'll read the English one. Elephant Corridor. এই বাটেৰে আমি অহা যোৱা কৰোঁ। অহা যোৱা কৰিছিল আমাৰ পূৰ্বপুৰুষে। পাহাৰত জুতি লৈছিল বিজুলী বাঁহৰ গাজ, সুৰেৰে আজুৰি আনিছিল পাত ভৰুণ লতা। Elephant Corridor. We travel on the same road that our ancestors took. On the mountains they tasted the shoots of Bijuli Bah. Their trunks fetched them creepers laden heavy with leaves. At noon they descended the road to frolic in the water of the river Luit. Feasted on elephant grass in the Sohola lake, they trumpeted all around Kajiranga. Our road, our identity, the Milky Way. From the hills to the plain fields, from the plains to the rivers, our ancestors swam to the Luit to reach the Kanchenjunga, where they play rain and sunshine games, saluted the Buddha at the stupa. Liberated by Emperor Ashoka, the invincible warlike elephants and the warlike horses forgot on reaching Kajiranga the ravages of Kalinga. Since thousands of years, our pastures are Kajiranga. Allowing others to use our path, same path we are sharing as our forefathers. Now man is taking over, encroaching on our path, our habitat. This is how we lost our homes. At night too, we cannot walk safe, cannot exchange few words. Today for us, Kajiranga is just Elephant Corridor. What is left for us in Kajiranga today is just Elephant Corridor. Thank you so much for the patient listening. Thank you again.